Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Catfish back with another video. And on today's video, guys, we're in Homewood, Illinois at Krispy Kreme right here. Y'all see it. Krispy Kreme donuts. They having a little car show, man. There's a lot of cars out here. We're gonna walk over here in the parking lot and see what we can see. There's a lot of cars out here. Y'all gonna see some stuff that y'all ain't never seen. And I'm gonna show you a car that I ain't never seen. I ain't even know existed until today. Got Tesla pulling up. 75D. Guys. Got my boy. This dude right here gonna wipe all the damn paint off of this damn car. This guy right here, he gonna wipe all the paint off this Corvette. My buddy Daryl right there.
Hey, what's up?
This thing, guys. Sheesh. This black, look at it. It's wiped on. You can tell when black been wiped on. You see me walking. Dang. And how long you had this car, Daryl?
A little while.
How long?
Since brand new.
What? So how long?
2001.
Okay. Guys, y'all heard that. He bought this car brand new, and he had it since new. And look at it. It looked good, too. Yeah, it's a manual too, guys. Yes, sir. But guys, I want to show you a car that you guys probably ain't never seen before. Because I ain't never seen one before. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. This car right here, guys. Y'all see this? Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all, before I show you, see this Malibu, how clean it is. What year is this car?
76.
76 Malibu, guys. Malibu Classic. Look at the top, pristine. Look at the inside, okay? But, y'all see it? Y'all see how clean this car is? But when I show y'all the engine compartment, y'all gonna fall out just like I did. Look how clean this car is on the inside. Look how clean this car is. And guys, look, he left the original radio in, and then he added that. 53,000 original miles. But guys, let me show y'all the engine compartment. This gonna mess y'all up. How many of you guys have seen a Malibu with one of these? Come on now, I can't make this up. Straight six, people. Now, y'all know I've been around cars a long time. Hey, I've been around cars a long time. This is the first time that I ever saw one with a straight six. Ain't never seen one to the date. That's why I always tell you guys, when you go to a car show, you never know what you're gonna see. But this is crazy right here, guys. Look at this. Look how clean the engine compartment. That's a straight six, guys. That don't make no sense, man. Now you compare that to this, and this is the same. Y'all seen this car before. It's basically the same car, but he didn't change the engine. But he is not changing this. He say he leaving this original cause you ain't never gonna see another one with an inline six, man. That's crazy. Y'all see it? 250, it's a 250 cubic inch, one barrel carburetor. AC. Guys, come on, man. I can't make this up, man. I ain't never seen one of these before in my whole life, man. Parked next to his brother, but his brother, y'all seen his brother already. This car, just straight, yeah, just straight nasty. But guys, that straight six got me, man. Sheesh. Y'all seen this car before. Look, swivel buckets. Yep, and it sound good too. Oh yeah, I gotta get this Type R on my video, man. This Type R is nasty. Eeh. Type R. 3 pipes. Civic. Look at the interiors, man. Yo! You got the red interiors. And he said the seats are comfortable as heck, man. This thing is gorgeous. Got nice rims on it. Yes, sir. Civic Type R, that's nice. Got the SRT rolling in. The original one, guys. Yes, sir. What have we over here? We got a McLaren sighting. Ooh. Ooh. Nasty. That's just straight nasty. Yeah, this is nasty. Got the wing on it. So I'll get the full ambiance. Yeah, that thing nasty, boy. Yes, sir.
We're selling for 65.
720S.
But that's
That's nasty. Got a little neon. I don't see them too often. We got this guy over here. Thing nice too. WRX Subaru. Yes, sir. Got another one. Got an old girl sighting.
You think so?
Yes, sir. I gotta get this Corvette over here. This Corvette is nasty. OG with it too. Look at this. That's nice. Oh, you got the manual with the white ball on it. Okay. 50th anniversary. Okay. I see you. Ooh, look at the paint on this truck. I see that metal flake flipping, boy. Got this guy pulling in right-hand drive, man. This thing nasty. Right-hand drive, too. Beautiful. Nasty, boy. I don't even know what it is, but it's pretty.
I was gonna say I might do
It's
this.
nasty.
I ain't driving like that.
Right-hand drive, too. Oh, it's a chaser. Should have known. Beautiful. Dang, beautiful. Yeah, it's a chaser, guys. It's beautiful. Nice car. Different. Z. It's a few cars out here. That side, another Honda. The blue AMG 63. Got this BMW. This BMW, nice too. Black rims on it. BMW. X4. Z4. Nice. It's nice. Still got cars pulling in, man. Got this thing over here. Woo. Get that turbo. Nice jewelry box on this thing. I think this right-hand drive too. Nope, it's regular. Yeah, nice though. Look at this. This regular drive too, but it's nice too.
Just go forever. Oh my god.
Riding on one wheel. This thing nasty. Look at the paint.
Go around, flex on these hoes.
Nice.
I'm scared.
Honda Prelude. Beautiful. Got a BMW over here, I love this groove. I love the carbon fiber grill, man. That's nice. Got the bronze wheels on this, an M5. It look good, guys. Like it. I like it. Got a Camaro pulling in. Yes, M5. Got the double duals on it. Thing clean. Yeah, you got a catch can right there. It's nice, man. Nice. All right, guys. I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey guys, we back. We got a 370Z Nismo finna take off. Now, why you walk in front of me and you see I'm filming? Nasty. This thing, both of them sound good. Both of them sound good, man. Folks just walk in front of you. This thing is nasty. Both of them boys. All right, guys, I get back with you in a second. Hey, guys, we back. Check the Camaro out, man. It sound good, too. That sucker sound good. Y'all hear it? But I want y'all to see this Corvette, man. It's old school. Look at this. Yeah. Look at this thing right here. Got them iconic vet wheels on it. Y'all see it? And he got the spinners on his. He done stepped his game up, see? Look at this thing, man. This thing is gorgeous, T-top. I love this body style on this vet right here. It's one of my favorite old school vet body styles, guys. Love this body style. It just flows. You got the updated hood with the silver paint on it. Thing look good, man. Let me step back and give y'all the full ambiance, man. That thing is beautiful, boy. Then he got his boy next to him. He got the vet drop top. This BMW nice too. Look at the color on this thing, man. Ew. It's a wrap, but it look good. Info. Audi. Yeah, that's that Camaro just pulled up. Mustang GT. Another Mustang. This must be the Mustang. The Mustang road. Ooh, look at this orange. It's orange. Nasty. Yes, sir. This boy nasty too. I see the handmade engine in there. Got a Mitsubishi. Another Mustang. This Camaro, y'all need to hear this Camaro. This Camaro sound good when he came in. Yes, sir. This must be Mustang Alley, man. Y'all got all these Mustangs. A whole bunch of them. Yep. There's a whole bunch of Mustangs. But that's cool, though. They got their own little following and stuff. That orange one is outstanding. All of them look good, though. We got the Charger boys pulling in. They gonna get their own little spot. That Camaro just pulled it. They gonna get their own spot. All right, guys, I'll get back with you guys in a second. Guys, we back. Look at this truck. Shay! This thing is good. Look at the wheels. I see it, 3100. Got the tire on the side. Got the nice rim. Look at this thing. Look how clean this thing is on the inside. It's beautiful, man.
Pop the hood over here. Buddy with the other pickup invited me over.
All right, cool, man. Beautiful truck, though. Sound good too. It ain't overly nothing, but it's just clean. 3100, man. I don't know what year it is, but boy, that thing got the Chevy exhaust on it. That thing sound good, man. That thing sound real good. Yeah, he say he moving to a different spot, man. He say he gonna pop the hood when he get over there. And check him out. Actually, he gonna park right behind me. Ooh, I didn't see the ZR1 right here. I didn't even see the Lingenfelder too, guys. Come on now. See the guys? Lingenfelder. Thing ain't no joke. Got the Apex wheels on it. Sheesh. You don't see these too often either. See, got the right badge. Lingenfelder. ZR1. Ooh, look at the steering wheel.
It is.
Got the sports steering wheel. Got the Recaro seat in it. Come on, man. This thing nasty. Yeah. Pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. Something you don't see. And all the ZR1s got this. They got the hole in the hood. Yes, sir. This little Honda leaving. Loud. All right, guys, I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey, guys, we back. We had to get the McLaren leaving. All right, guys, I'll get back. Oh, they go to Chaser leaving, too. Yes, sir. All right, guys, I'll get back with you in a second. Hey, guys, we back. Remember that pickup truck I just showed you? I love the tilt front end, and that's different. Got tilt front end on. Look at the engine. Look at the engine sitting down in there. Headers. 5
miles an hour.
Dang nice. I love it, but I love the tilt front end. You see it's fabricated. They made it. That's nice. That's clean. The engine compartment just clean. Like I said, guys, 3100. And like I said, I had to come get him on. That tilt front end got me good. That's pretty special. I like that. That's real nice. You don't see these old pickups. Yeah, the engine compartment clean, got a Holly on it. I'll show y'all the inside one more time. Real nice. Real nice, just clean. Got the headliner up there. Got the stainless steel bed. Come on, man. Stainless steel, most everybody put wood in there. You did it different. Stainless. Okay.
Not.
All right. I see him. Beautiful, 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 beautiful 3100 Chevy pickup. I don't know what year it is, but it's pretty nasty. All right, guys, I'll get back with you. Hey, guys, remember I told you that Camaro that was parked over there? Now you get a chance to hear it. That thing sounds good. OG driving, too. Y'all hear that thing, man? That thing sound good, boy. Yes, sir. Let me walk over here. The Charger boys and pull it up. Let me walk over here. Let me walk over here. The Charger boys and pull it up. Now he just added another one. The Charger boys. Got all the Charger boys over there. I gotta put them on. Nice Corvette coming in. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, I'll get back with you guys in a second. Alright, guys, that's gonna wrap this edition of Catfish Corner up from Krispy Kreme and forgot what town we in, Crestwood. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this edition, man. I'll see you guys
There you go.
on the next one.